on the markets as well as crude and the other sectors. But it's time that you all have always been waiting for. It's a little late today, but D Street Chatter is waiting by, and Nimesh joins us. Nimesh, what a big move, right? Headline index is holding up, and good to see at least the mid-cap index move back into the green. What are you picking up?
Hi, Nigel. Good move for the markets, good recovery as well, and this is despite a large sell-off at a leading FI desk. So the feedback in the morning was there is a basket selling and that too in the Nifty names at leading FI desk. So even after that, we're seeing a big move, not only in the Nifty but in the broader markets as well. I guess the recovery in broader market was expected because there was some bit of clarity as well with regards to that hedge fund. So that probably was a bit of a reason for the broader markets to recover. But I guess today's move is largely led by financials, and within financials, the PSU index. What a big move in the PSU bank stocks in today's trade, and that's backed by FI buying as well. So even yesterday, the feedback was, and SBI was part of my chatter as well, that there is buying interest in the PSU names, and that seems to be playing out in today's trade as well. So a good recovery not only for the Nifty but for the broader market as well. And I guess looks like the momentum seems to be back with the bulls after just one day of massive correction in the broader markets.
All right, Nimesh, let's spice it up then. Add some masala. Tell us individual stocks that you're picking up. What's the news?
Well, a lot of stocks are buzzing in trade, Nigel, right? The first stock on my list today is Granules. A big move in that stock within the pharma names. But I guess this is largely because a large part of the selling from a leading FI seems to be largely over, and hence a big reaction to that stock in today's trade. So that's the first one. The second stock is PNB. I spoke about good amount of buying interest. PNB clearly stands out in terms of massive buying interest from a larger FIs, and that's the reason why a big surge in that stock. I'm expecting strong delivery volumes as well in PNB in today's trade, so that's the second one. The third stock is REC. We saw what happened to yesterday across all the PSU names. Sharp pullback in most of the PSU stocks in today's trade, and REC stands out largely on the back of buy flow. So the stock is marginally under pressure, but I guess some HNI flows, some larger family offices seem to be quite active and buying into REC again in today's trade. So that's the third one. And the last stock is JSWEnergy. For the last 2 days, the feedback is there is continuous buying coming in from some leading FIs into JSWEnergy as well. Remember, GQG couple of weeks back bought into JSWEnergy, and since then there is a bit of interest back from large institutions into buying into JSWEnergy as well. So that's the last stock on my list today.
Okay, thank you very much for that list of stocks.